join me on a lap in the M4 GT3 on the circuit to Portimão and FP1. So we're coming down the main straight, nice long straight here at Portimão, getting up to nearly 270 k's an hour. Braking on the edge of the hill, fast turn 1, down 2 gears, get it in close to the curb, be careful on the track limits on the exit, then get yourself lined up for the turn 3 hairpin, braking down to 2nd gear, get it in tight, make sure to keep it to the right to open up the next left, up the gears, a bit of a short shift, try to be as close as you can to flat through the next left, down the next straight into turn 5, the tightest hairpin on the track, from 5th gear all the way down to 2nd, really slow, get it stopped, tight, get back to power as quick as you can, along straight on the exit. Now one of my favourite corners on the circuit, very fast, right-hander, just a tiny dab of the brakes, get it in, carry as much speed as you can, then get back in the brakes hard, down another 2 gears into the tight right, then it goes up the hill, back down the hill, going through the gears, then another fast corner just about flat on a qualifying lap, get yourself lined up over the hill, tricky braking zone, easy to lock up. You see I've got a GT4 car now in front of me, try to get past him, squeeze through, then go back up another hill, another GT3 McLaren in front, down 2 gears, get it stopped into the curb, back on the throttle, be careful not to cook the rears here, especially in the race, then try get back up the inside and get back on the power as hard as you can. Now it's a fast last corner, you really need to hope to get in there, get a little lift and get back to full throttle as hard as you can, and that's a lap of Portimão. And yeah, the car looked pretty good there, so thanks to the Century boys and the BMW. So guys, join us on a lap in the Century BMW M4 GT3 on the Circuit de Algarve here in Portimão, the lovely sunshine, and just tune in, turn the volume up and enjoy the sound of our lovely BMW.